I just took a long dip in a deep lake. My phone doesn't work. It's wet. I dried it up as best as I could. I took the little pen out and the battery and the back cover, and I dried it all out. I've been wondering how to dry these things. A lot of people say soak it in rice or use a desiccant bag of some kind and leave it sit for an hour, or 24 hours to 48 hours. I need my phone, man. I don't have that kind of time. So I'm going to try something here. I haven't seen anybody do it. I got a dehydrator. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put it in upside down. I set it on high, 160 degrees. So I'm going to come back in an hour. I'm going to see if this works. Okay, my hour's up. Yeah, it's nice and warm, 160 degrees warm. That shouldn't be too hot. See if this thing wants to work for me. Look at that. Life is good. Yeah, I was in the water for at least a minute with this thing in my pocket. It was totally drenched. And it's been 1 hour. And this thing is warm and dry. It's fun too, like if you leave it sit on your heater in your car or something, it'll tell you that it's too hot and you need to shut it down. Let's see if it says anything like that. Oh heck no, it's working. Wow. Yeah. Great. Yeah, I got a phone. Huh. Cool. So that's how you do it. Don't listen to everybody else's story. If you got a dehydrator, stick it in there for an hour.